Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you a new home workout routine that you can do in the comfort of your own home. Whether you're short on time, don't have access to a gym, or just want to switch things up, this routine will get your heart rate up and help you build strength and endurance. Warm up. Before we start, let's get our bodies warm and ready for the workout. We'll start with some dynamic stretching and a light cardio warm-up. Do each exercise for 30 seconds. High knees, butt kicks, skipping, jumping jacks, mountain climbers. Workout. Now that we're warm and ready, let's jump into the workout. Each exercise will be done for 30 seconds with a 15-second rest in between. Squats. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and lower your body down as if you're sitting back in a chair. Push-ups. Start in a plank position with your hands shoulder width apart. Lower your body down until your chest touches the ground, then push back up. Plank jacks. Start in a plank position with your hands shoulder width apart. Jump your feet to the side and back in, just like a jumping jack. Lower your body down by bending your elbows, then push back up. Cool down. Great job, everyone. We're all done with the workout. Now let's stretch out our muscles and cool down. Hold each stretch for 30 seconds. Hamstring stretch. Quad stretch. Cat-cow stretch. Shoulder stretch. Downward dog. That's it for today's home workout routine. Remember to drink plenty of water and take breaks if you need to. With consistency and effort, you'll be surprised at how much progress you can make from the comfort of your own home. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.